Here are the key elements. GMORS, seals to your heart. Problem solving made easy with GMORS. Compound development. In addition to the standard series compound of rubber parts and components, GMORS responds rapidly to demands of the pneumatic industry with the development of high and low temperature resistant, self-lubricating, and low-friction compound to guarantee seal integrity in every working environment. Product design. From compound development to product design and physical testing to chemical analysis, we work in close consultation with our customers at every stage to ensure specifications are met. GMORS has the capabilities to develop high-precision molds and has leading advantages in the industry in terms of mass production and production yield control. Product application. We work closely with our customers from design and development to manufacturing to come up with solutions based on their application requirements. With high precision molding and tolerance control, GMORS products are used extensively for the most demanding dynamic sealing applications. With many years of experience in non-standard product customization from design to manufacturing, GMORS is your most trusted and reliable partner for all your sealing requirements. The leading brand in pneumatic sealing components. GMORS, seals to your heart.